It's a coffee lime leaf.
Oh.
Yeah. This one. Yes.
So what is 2 garlic?
Yes.
So 2 cloves of garlic and 1 shallot.
Okay, just for the flavor to the soup. It's a bit hard, sorry. It's supposed not to be like this, but my mom took out the marinade beef instead of this beef.
Oh.
It look weird, huh? Like how can the beef?
Spring onion.
Spring onion again. We use a lot of spring in almost everything.
But it's delicious. It gives like a nice flavor.
Yeah. Okay. You can deep fry, but I don't use. Don't want to put too much oil, so
No.
can also turn them around.
Yeah.
And you can make this soup with no, not much fish, but chicken and duck very common.
Okay.
Yeah.
So beef or chicken?
Yeah. Chicken, beef, duck, pork leg. Right.
Oi.
That's what I mean.
Okay, okay. And then you fry the beef in oil.
Yes. Yeah. A bit. Not too long.
So this will be the soup.
Yes, for the soup. Then we add the beef. Because I just burned myself one. Oh, this is not here. Just nearly 100% healed. But
Wow.
like 3
So not
days,
again.
like this first, and then the next 3 days I burn here. You want the color to be like this? Okay. But for chicken, pork or duck, or for your pig leg, you can deep fry longer.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, very.
So the fish sauce was how much?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
Yeah. And salt is salt again. Salt is like this much.
Okay.
Because the lime pickle, it's salty.
Okay.
So-
So just a little.
Yeah,
okay,
little bit.
half a
And then-
teaspoon or
yeah.
teaspoon.
Sugar will be half
Yeah. Half a
a
tablespoon.
tablespoon. Yeah. And we always put this a bit of chicken
Oh,
powder.
chicken stock. Yeah.
chicken stock.
So,
Okay. And let it cook there. For lime pickle, we will add when the beef is very soft.
okay.
So simmer there for another 20 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
When we let that simmer, we can start with. Beef need long time to cook. Okay, and then
beef gets like really
soft.
tender.
Yeah,
soft,
yeah. So we will add a bit of onion and mushroom at the end, but at the very end. With rice.
Ah, that's a nice texture.
Yeah,
You have it,
you don't lose any garlic. Yeah. best lime pickle quality. Yeah.
So it's almost like jelly.
Yes, yeah. Cut this one as well. You don't want the seed in the soup. That's why I cut it here. Oh, look, you see?
So it would be like
Salty and sour. A little bit bitter. Depend, but if it's too bitter, that means the lime pickle quality is not good.
Okay.
Yeah, usually it's so try to take the seed out. And this lime also from our garden lime, so it's the best.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. If all too much, okay. Yeah.
So it's only me.
Yeah, only you. Okay.
Get all the sauce.
Mushroom first. Mushroom to cook a bit. After the lime cook a bit, we can start to break them so the taste come out.
Okay.
Yes.
So they will be like smashed or.
Yeah, like this. You can do it in a pot or take it out.
Okay.
But it doesn't have to be fully break, you know.
No.
Just a bit.
No, because you can eat even if they.
Also can eat. Some people don't. Some people do. My dad like eating it.
I can imagine. And if you don't have pickled limes, you will just use lime juice.
Yes,
or-
fresh lime. Yeah.
But not put the lime in.
No. It will be very bitter, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so just fresh lime juice.
Yeah. And the way we soup with fresh lime. Sour now already. I see a little bit more salt. So I add a little bit. Bit salt, a little bit. Should be good. Okay, quite light. I think it's ready now, so we can add this.
You fried onion?
Yes.
Oh, garlic, right?
Garlic, yes, and then spring onion.